Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Unlucky Rebuilds. Yeah, that's me. So today we are trying to apply a fuse box at the boat so that we can extend all the cables from there on. Once that's done, we will probably jump onto the boat, do the final grinding and prepare for paint, which could hopefully be tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So if you like our content, sure, like, share and subscribe. Yeah, you probably hear my dad. He's already grinding some wood to make the mold for the fuse box. But at this point, if you have any suggestions, any ideas what to do, how to be more effective, put it down in the comments and let me know. So yeah, stay tuned and have a great day. Bye.
But it's fake. It's not like I would take you back. Things would be the same. Oh, I gotta give it to you, love. You left your mark, now I'm trying to be okay. I lost the remembrance of your face. All the times you cursed me, it filled its place. People say I'm the best they've ever seen. Guess a man looks different when he finally breathes. You seem closer than you ever did before. Then again we feel when the spirits pour.
Today we are doing this. So this will be our case where we get the cables.
I'm just trying to be okay. I didn't know we had a love that even went this deep. Guess it makes sense when you give her everything. You wanna fight to make yourself feel justified, but truth has a sound and its own battle cry. I hope you're somewhere not okay. I hope the memories of us haunt your brain. Don't come running back, you'll never be the same. But oh, I gotta give it to you, you left your mark. 'Cause I don't know how much my heart can take. I've been trying to get by, but it's fake. It's not like I would take you back. Things would be the same, but oh, I gotta give it to you, love. Trying to be okay. I'm just trying to be okay.
Hey guys, so yeah, like many of you know, grinding and some more grinding. Yeah, we are again in the process of grinding. We have some more things to grind down. When that's done, we are finally going to paint it. Hopefully today. Hopefully. So yeah, let's get right to the grinding. Yeah, I said it will be easy, grinding down and ready for paint, and then this happens. One more hole. Yeah, I got rid of the rotten wood. Now I need to dry it out and do one more thing. One more glassing. Yeah, one more time. They said it will be easy. Then this happens again. Yep. One more hole.
If you like what you see, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. It would mean a lot to us. Thank you.
So for some reason the camera went down on us. So this is what we did. This was filled. And this also.